Hey guys, so today we are playing Tower of Hell. And by the way, I'm doing my first giveaway. It's 20,000 thingy in Bloxburg. So if you want to join the giveaway, you have to subscribe, you have to like this video, and comment down below when you're done. And I think I'm going to be choosing 2 or 3 winners, so good luck. Okay, so we're in Tower of Hell. And I'm not that good, not gonna lie. It's quite hard. Oh, that was so close. Okay, no lasers on this one. Yeah, okay. Almost got stabbed. Okay, that was decent. And not that hard. Okay. Yeah, we're doing good. Okay, we're out of that thing. Okay, new level. Okay, this one I actually really like. It's not that hard, but I lag a lot. And also, I'm gonna be getting a new trail again today. I've got like so many trails today. I never get it below 3,000 though. Like I need to have 3,500, no more than that. Like no 3,600. But if I do, then I have to buy it because then it's a waste. So yeah, you're gonna be seeing my new trail. Hopefully new. If it's not new, I would get like 200 back, I think, because last time I bought it, I didn't get a new one. Okay, yeah, we did that. I got an old one that I already had, and I got 200 back. Yeah. Okay, this is pretty hard. That was scary. I was like lying so bad. Okay. By the way, if you lag, just jump. It helps. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. I don't want to fall, like we're on second last. If I fall, that's a bummer. Just gonna close the door. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I needed to. I fell. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna skip because I was angry. So now I have 3,500. I'm gonna get a new trail. Okay, which one did I get? Where is it? Is it this? Ew. No, that's not nice. That is so disgusting. Wait, is it? Yeah, I think that's the one I got. Oh, I don't really know though. Wait, I must see. It won't let me go down. Okay, it's really hard to go down. I'm just gonna get this blue owl thingy-majigger because it gives me big eyes vibes. And there we go. We just died. Boom, wham, yes, ma'am. Wait, no, it's wham, bam, yes, ma'am, not boom, wham. Okay, anyways, moving on. Okay, this level is easy, but somehow I keep on falling. Okay, easy stuff. Did I touch that? Like, oh my. Okay, that was just sad. Okay. I see the yellow one is the biggest, so I really hope it's a good one. And not bad because it's the biggest. I think I know which one it is. And I'm not looking forward to it. But if it's not that one, then I'm really, really happy. So we're just gonna do this. I did not touch that. Okay, whatever. Gonna do this. And we have to win because last time we lost because I died. and it was really, really sad because I was on second. I was so laggy there. That's okay. Anyways, moving on to the next thing because I kept on falling. Okay. This one I'm not a big fan of. It's very hard for me. Gonna get my shift lock ready. Yeah, I like to keep my camera like this sometimes, but for this one I want to keep it like this. I don't know, some people don't really like this camera angle, and I'm sorry about that. Ooh, yeah, shortcuts. Oh, I just jumped off. My mind just switched and I jumped off. Oh my lord, y'all. Okay, getting somewhere. Okay, I'm lagging so much. Oh no, I don't want to die. I'm so far. Okay, this is the worst. I got touched though. Okay, we're literally dodging it. When I stop lagging, I die. Like, that's so crazy. Oh, anyways, we're gonna try this time with. What is wrong with me? Oh my god, I'm so bad at this game. Okay, for some people this is easy, but no, I just can't. And comment down below what games you want to see because I only play a bit of games that I like. And I don't really play that many varieties, so comment down below what you want to see. I can do stories even though I'm not lagging. Okay, I'm lagging. Just gonna wait here for a minute or two. Okay, the next one is decent. Okay. Yeah, we're on to the next one. Now, this might look hard, but I'm gonna show you a way. So you jump off to that, then you go under and you change your camera a bit to see what's going on, and then you jump over this, jump, and it's pretty easy once you memorize that. Okay, again, this one is not too shabby. You can do it pretty easily, and if you don't make it to the top, you can always climb it, but it doesn't happen with the normal ones. Oh, this. Now, this is pretty simple. Just need to walk up here, don't even need to. And now, I'm pointing to it, but I forgot you can't see my hand. So that thin bit you do not want to step on because it wiggles. And if you do, just be careful because you might fall, because I've fallen onto that before. So you're gonna wanna jump. Perfect. Okay. Then you take this. Simple stuff. I don't like to walk on this one because I did once and I was on the last level and I died. So I don't trust it anymore. Yeah, most people do because they're like pros and they know what they're doing. So I'm just gonna wait for that big platform to come because it's way easier to start onto that. And yeah. Okay, so it's finally here after a million years. Not million, but like it took ages. Ah, that was so close. Oh, this is the worst moment to be lagging on. Oh, no. Oh my god, this ain't good. Oh, I don't know. I'm just so bad at this. Okay, this one is like super duper easy. But if it's like your first time doing it, you might not notice that there's a laser down there. You gotta do that to actually do this level. And then again, simple jumps. You might fall, that's fine. It's only the first level, so that was easy. Okay, this one is also decent. Nothing special here. Okay, now this jump is kind of scary to me. Yeah, the next one is quite hard, but like if you've done it more than once, you would know how to do it. If you don't, then I'm gonna show you how. So you wait for the platform to come, and then you stand on it and you go up the ladder. Wait for the platform to come. I don't like to use that shortcut, so oh my god, do you see this glitch? Oh my. I don't know if it's only me. I'm just gonna swipe this. Okay, that's scary. Okay, is it the game or is it my laptop? I'm not sure. Hopefully the game. Cause it's my laptop and that would be sad. 1 like equals 1 more chance of this not breaking. Okay, so we're pretty up and we're on Goofy. Now Goofy is pretty simple, but like some people don't get it. You just gotta stand there. Like, okay, I don't want to play this game anymore, to be honest. It's like glitching so much. And yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. So peace out, guys. Bye.